Hi, I'm Yadin David. I'm academically trained in engineering with postgraduate in education psychology. I've been practicing clinical engineering for the last 40 years, and I'm fortunate to be involved in a profession that helps humanity to improve delivery of health and disease management. The clinical engineering field is an interesting and exciting opportunity for young generation to come in and learn about it, because it's involved the fields of engineering, life sciences and management combined together to oversee the application of technology throughout the total life cycles, from ideation to obsolescence, from the manufacturing and compliance with regulation to actual patient use. Very exciting. I feel fortunate to be in the field for so long. The point that I would like to make with you today is that there is so much contribution from clinical engineering around the world, but not much is known about it. And I would like to take just a couple of minutes to get you acquainted with this. To start with, in 2015 in Hangzhou in China, a global clinical engineering congress got together for the first time. It was called the International Clinical Engineering and Health Technology Management Congress. And in that congress we asked the question, what are the challenges that face clinical engineering around the world? And immediately two responses were clearly outnumber anything else. It was the lack of recognition for all the contribution that clinical engineers are making around the world. And number two, the lack of academic opportunity to enter the field, as well as to bring practicing clinical engineering back to improve their mid-term career opportunity through continuing education. So we start to work towards that in the international task force. And what we did, we elected success story. Tell us, we said to the world, what clinical engineers are doing that improve health and were successfully influencing patient outcome. We thought we'll get a story here, a story there, something in Africa, something in Europe, something in China, and something in the US perhaps. And to our surprise, within 90 days, we got over 150 success stories from 90 different countries, all supported by evidence and available on the website that hopefully will be on the bottom of the screens for you to go and visit. Then we submitted that to the World Health Organization, so all the Ministry of Health of member countries will be able to see and be impressed by the tremendous work that clinical engineers do around the world. Then number two was relating to academia. What is the body of knowledge that clinical engineer must have in order to be competent in the field? And how can we contribute to this teaching to become much more focused and efficient? This survey is going around the world and the results are being analyzed right now. And pretty soon, this will be the second white paper we will publish on the result of that. But it's obvious that we need to be more in synchronization and unified in the application of teaching in our field of clinical engineers. So I hope that in the couple minutes that I have here today with you, you are more educated about what clinical engineering do, how they prepare to enter the field, and that you're excited about, like I am, about the opportunity of helping fellow men and humankind healthcare, and will enter the field yourself. Thank you for your time.